is not just an ordinary Monday. It is a day of pride, honor, and celebration for our school, Pedro T. Minjola Senior Memorial National High School. As we take this moment to recognize two of our very own students who have brought glory not just to our school but to the entire province and Mimaropa region through their remarkable performance in the recently concluded Palarong Pambansa. These students have proven that dedication, discipline, and determination are the keys to turning dreams into reality. Sa kabila ng hirap ng training, init ng araw, at bigat ng responsibilidad, they push forward. Representing Region 4B Mimaropa and making a mark on the national stage, please let us call in John Carlo S. Prane, Palarong Pambansa qualifier, category B, 48 kg boys wushu. And the Palarong Pambansa silver medalist for wushu girls secondary, category B, 42 kg. No other than the pride of our school, Tiger Shane C. Iquiros. And recognize din po natin ang kanilang coach and trainer, Ma'am Abigail Syra Tolentino and Sir Eric Escuadro.